98% off vidIQ? Yes, it's real, and I'm about to show you exactly how to claim it right now. Most creators pay full price for vidIQ. That's $49 a month, $588 a year, for something you can get at nearly nothing. You are leaving hundreds of dollars on the table every single year. It's time to stop the leak. Here's the truth. vidIQ runs hidden discounts that 99% of YouTubers never find. I found the link. This is the secret link that gives you the boost plan for next to nothing. Watch this. Step 1. Use my exclusive link in the description. It's direct, verified, and active right now. Step 2. Choose any plan, Boost, Pro, or Max. The discount works across the board. Step 3. Watch the price drop automatically at checkout. No code needed. It's that simple. Look at this. Full price, $588. My price, under $12. That's not a typo. That is real savings. I've helped thousands of creators get this deal, and today it's your turn to scale for less. This is literally the best investment you can make for your channel this year. Period. vidIQ's AI tools, keyword research, title scoring, competitor tracking are how channels go from 500 subs to 50,000. You get the exact same data the biggest YouTubers use to dominate the algorithm every single day. And right now, you can get it all for less than a coffee. There is zero excuse to wait. This 98% link could disappear tomorrow. Not 90%, not 50%, 98. I've never seen it go this low. Once the spots are filled or the clock runs out, the price goes back to $588. Don't let that happen. This is a one-time opportunity to get professional growth tools for practically nothing. Click now. Link is pinned in the first comment. Tap it now before it's gone. And comment claimed when you get it. I reply to every single one because I want to see you succeed. Let's grow together. Subscribe for more AI deals nobody else finds. See you in the comments.